Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chada Mathur if you don't know who I am, and I create natural hair and lifestyle content. This one is a natural hair video. In my last hair update, I mentioned to you guys that I typically use mousse on my heat damaged hair simply because my heat damaged hair did not do well with gels. The one change that you will see from my process then to now is that I have reincorporated the use of gel into my wash and go process as my hair has grown in. This video will not have me speaking for very long. It is a demonstrative video, so you will see the process as the video goes along. So I just realized I never came back to show you guys my wash and go. So this is the day after. It's fully dried and it shrunken into its shape. So this is what it looks like on day 1. So this is what it's looking like, guys. So what did you think about my wash and go process? I hope that you enjoyed it and that you can take some tips if you have heat damage or any kind of damage and your typical wash and go process isn't working for you. That's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and of course subscribe and leave your comments down in the comment section. So I will see you in the next one.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.